Hello, everyone. So, someone asked, which Wix plan do I have to choose? Well, as you might already know, Wix.com is a beginner friendly website that you can create your first website for free. But they also offer premium plans, which you can purchase for you to experience the website builder even better. Okay, so let's go to that information. So using your Google Chrome app, so you just have to type manage.wix.com slash store slash plans and let's hit enter. And it will bring you to the page where you can choose the plans that you might be interested in. Okay, so you can see VIP, limited, combo, connect domain. Okay, so they have different inclusions. For instance, you can see its storage space itself have really big differences. So 25 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, and 500 megabytes. Okay, so if you do have a larger business, so you can click on their business plans right here at the bottom of the page. So you can choose which business plan suits your business. Okay. Also, they have different inclusions. Okay. For example, the storage space itself has different quantity. Okay. So you will see 500 gigabytes here, 35 gigabytes, and 20 gigabytes. Okay. It's just, you just gotta have to choose which package suits your business. So if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.